Napaka-espesyal ng araw na ito para kina Chay at Elise. Matagal na nila itong pinaghandaan. Ang gusto ng Diyos sa 2 taong nagmamahalan ay magsama bilang iisa.
Sabi nila, the best love stories begin in the most unexpected ways. At sino ba naman mag-aakala na ang happily ever after ko pala ay magsisimula sa isang BlackBerry Messenger group? Hindi man ito tunog fairy tale, pero ito ang kwento natin. And for me, it's the most beautiful ones.
These are the moments, the ones we were dreaming of.
Open!
Some just a whisper, passing the time. I don't wanna miss it all somehow. Looking everywhere but here and now. Holding every moment well. Keep them alive in the stories we'll tell.
I love you! Ha? Iyak na. Today, I stand before you not just to promise my love, but to promise my life. Today officially begins our lifetime.
Every new chapter, something to learn. Oh, and these are the moments.
Oy, legit! Nice
Lahat ng gusto ni Elise, lahat ng kailangan ni Elise. Kahit hindi pa alam ni Elise, alam na niyang kailangan ni Elise. Kaya sigurado ako magtatagal tong dalawa.
Me, thank you for this! Tagal ko na itong gusto, di ko mabili.
Oh, I don't wanna miss it all somehow. Looking everywhere but here and now. Holding every moment well. We'll keep them alive in the stories we'll tell.
Baby, thank you for waiting. Thank you for loving me. And for making me feel safe. Yung araw na pinagpe-pray lang natin noon, for real na ngayon.
Just the beginning of a world unknown. Our pages of stories.
Our journey has been 12 years in the making. Isang dosenang tawanang, kulitan at simpleng pagmamahalan. Marami ang tatanong, ano daw ba ang sikreto natin? Sa totoo lang, wala. Siguro, sadyang parang lang tayo sa isa't isa.
Oh, this moment that we're lost in, ever more than I imagined. Our forever, oh, has just begun. My only one, I can feel it in the mystery. Every step in, every heartbeat to forever. You and I will run. My only one. If it's all a dream, oh then let me sleep. Oh then.
And the best part, alam kong at peace na si Daddy sa heaven. Dahil ang bunso niya, nakahanap na ng makakasama habang buhay.
Goes on and on. Oh, it's where we belong. Oh, this moment that we're lost in, ever more than I imagined. Our forever, oh, has just begun. My only one. I can
Salamat, B, dahil hindi mo ako sinukuan. Thank you for being my rock, lalo na sa mga panahong feeling kong guguho na ang lahat. You stay, you hold my hand, and believe in me, hanggang sabay tayong nakaahon ulit.
my only one.
Kahit ang dami kong problema before or pasaway ako, you still, nandiyan pa din. Sinintindi ako. Ayun, mami, salamat. I love you.
Baby, ito ang pinakamahalaga kong pangako. Hanggang sa huli, hanggang sa pagtanda, hanggang sa pagputi ng buhok natin, it will always, always be you and me. Mahal na mahal kita.
Chay, maaari mo nang ibigay kay Elise ang unang legal na halik. You may now kiss your bride.
From this day on, I vow to always smile with you, fight with you, laugh with you, dream with you, and build and cherish the future family we want together. I love you.
On the edge